Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my unboxing from Simply Earth. This is the monthly essential oil box, and it's the June box, which has a theme of garden/summer. So first I'll take out the cards so we can look at the recipes. We have Summer Lovin' Lip Balm. So you get several recipe cards, and then on the back, if the recipe continues, then there's more on there, and then if not, there's like an advertisement or something about the company to read about, upcoming boxes and such. The next one is Surf's Up Diffuser Blend. And here are all the essential oils we got this month. It tells you the uses for it and the general safety, so if it's safe for animals, kids, and pets. And then it talks about the extras. Then we have a garden spray, which has water and lemongrass. And you're supposed to spray it on plants to help keep the bugs away. So that's pretty cool. On the back of that card is a note from Kate, who's the recipe formulator. Then we have a Citronella floating candle. The recipe continues on the back for that one. A Peppermint Infused Oil. And then on the back of that card talks about the 13%. So 13% of their proceeds goes to end human trafficking. And the last recipe is a bug off roll-on, which I will probably definitely make for this summer. And a sneak peek of next month's box. It tells you what essential oils you're getting. So very cool. So let's take a look at the essential oils. Good Vibes, which is probably a blend. Let's see, it has clary sage, geranium, lavender, lemon, and hoe wood essential oils. Also have Citronella. That's a good one. And mandarin. And the last one is lemongrass. So then twice a year you get a big bonus box that includes a lot of bottles and oils and things that you'll use, carrier oils. And then anything additional comes in the recipe box. So we have a spray bottle. We also have some floating wicks. There's 3 in here, 3 wicks and 3 bases. We have some dried peppermint leaves. Some more little containers. There's the cap for the spray bottle. And lastly, we have all the stickers. So after you make the products, you can label them, and then you could put these on the top of the essential oils. That way, when you're sorting them, you could just look at the top instead of picking them all up. So super cool. If you guys are interested in a subscription for Simply Earth, I'll have all their information below. And if you use my link, you get a gift card that you can use in the future. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.